Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Miserable rainy day, so we're at the underground today. Take me down, take me to the underground. So you can pronounce this either Michelle or Michael. I apologize. I don't know if it's Michelle or Michael, but they asked, my boy, can you help my mate Custard Guts with his Nollie 3 shoves? He's struggling really hard with them. Cust Art Guts, we're going to be teaching you how to do a Nollie 3 shove. I don't know if you want to do backside or front side. I've done Nollie 360 shoves backside, and I've done the front side out of nose manual, but I'm pretty sure it's similar flat ground. So let's get right into it and show you how to do it. So we will do Nollie 360 backside shoves. So first you want to learn how to do just a regular Nollie shove it. So foot placement I usually do is about there, Nollie, and then you just kind of push it forward. So yeah, the Nollie shove's pretty easy. Your front foot is on the nose, back foot kind of right about here below the bolts. And all you're doing is lightly pushing with that front foot back and pushing that one a little bit forward. And to shove it, you don't need a pop, so you just kind of shove it in. This battery is dying really quick and I forgot to charge my other batteries. So yeah, all you're doing for Nollie shove it is just kind of lightly pushing off that nose with that front foot back. And if you're gonna pop it, you obviously do the same motion, but you're just popping down and then doing it. So the Nollie 3 shove without a pop, all you're doing is the same thing, but you're gonna add more of a scoop. So for Nollie 3 shove, you're going to be riding and your front foot is on the nose, and what you're going to do is scoop that really hard so it does a 360 shove it. And what you're going to do is jump really high and just kind of scoop it so that it does the full 360 shove and try to land back on top of it bolts. And that back foot, you're just kind of pushing it forward. So it's kind of like this motion where it's like, boom. So you're kind of going and then you're just kind of back and then forward, fling it, and land it with the bolts. Alright, so I found out with this trick, it's a little bit easier to get a bit more speed to help with the momentum of doing the 360 shove. And what you're kind of doing too is when you're riding, you're going to be kind of like winding up, like turning your shoulders, and then when you go to throw the 360 shove, you're turning and you're kind of pushing with that back, or that front foot, like a shove, and that front foot, which is behind you, is kind of pushing it. So you're kind of pushing it out and ahead of you. You want to push it this way, not this way. You're going to be pushing it this way, winding it, pushing it. And when it actually does the 360 shove, you're not jumping that way. You're actually going to be jumping with the nose that direction. So I don't know if you can tell, but when I went to do that 360 shove it, I was kind of winding up. When I go to do it, I'm already kind of pushing like that. I scoop the back foot a bit, push with that foot, have it go the 360 while I'm jumping that direction. So you're kind of like not pushing it in front of you, it's this direction. So you're going boom in front, pushing it that way with the momentum, and you're jumping that direction as well. So the same thing goes for the 360 front shove. You're kind of winding it up, and when you go to push it, this one you're using your front foot to push kind of in front like this instead of back motion. So you're pushing forward, and that back foot, you're kind of pushing it behind you. And you're pushing it kind of like this, and you're pushing it in front of you as well, and what you're gonna do is jump and move that direction. But like I said, you wanna have a nollie front shove first. So to do the nollie 360 front shove, you should have nollie front shoves. Same as the back shove, but you're just going the other direction with your front foot. You're pushing that way rather than this way. And you're just doing it very lightly to the point that it just spins the shove at 180. And the same with the pop, you're just kind of popping down and then scooping it so it does the rotation. For the 360 frontside shove it, you're gonna do the same thing but with more push on the nose, and that back foot is just kind of guiding it, and you're shooting it this way while jumping this way. And the foot position for this one is your front foot's kind of like here, and your back foot's just kind of over the bolts. I find that's the easiest way, and all you're doing is like pushing and like forcing it through. So you're just kind of hucking it. So you definitely want to have the nollie shove and front shove to do the 360 shoves. And then from that, you can probably just easily learn the big spins. So my battery is about to die, and I didn't really get to go into too much of detail in depth. Hopefully this video helps. You can just like slow motion the clips and kind of see how the legs go, and the motion of flinging the board kind of forward, not in front of you, but in front of you this way, the direction you're going, and jumping the direction you're going rather than, you know, when you shove it, you jump in front of you. These ones with nollie or fakie, you're going the direction you're moving. So if you're moving this way, you're jumping that way, not in front of you. Hopefully that helps. And yeah, I just learned nollie frontside 360 shove it's by doing this video, so thank you. If you have any more troubles, please just let me see your clips or ask for any more help. Any other tricks you guys need help with, let me know in the comments. Hopefully this helps, and if you do land one or land a few, send them my way, please. I would love to see them. Anyways, you all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.